moving right through that stop sign coming out of the bridge.
Oh, there's a stop sign? I thought it was a yield.
No, that's a stop sign.
Oh, my bad.
You treated it like a yield, but that's actually a stop
Okay.
sign.
Yeah, I didn't even see it.
Okay.
I was kind of confused on where all the lanes were going.
Okay, I get it. All right, you're all set. Just a warning today, okay?
All right,
Stop
all right,
sign.
thanks. Yeah, I was confused on, I was looking at cars and
Yeah,
just
no
didn't see
problem.
it.
Now you know.
Yeah.
All right,
Thank
have a good
you.
day.
Hopefully that cop gets him.
Hello and welcome to Mount Arvon, Michigan, the second highest point in the state, apparently. I mean, it says it's the highest, but some scientific LiDAR differential GPS something or other said Mount Kerwood is higher by like 8 or 9 inches. But on Rand McNally and maps and Google and state website, this is listed as the high point. As far as the road up here goes, well, you can see the parking lot. This is a really easy walk up here, but the road that I'm not sure about. I took the exact wrong way to get up here. I went on roads that you're going to need a serious four-wheel drive or an off-road bike or four-wheeler side-by-side to get through. I got turned around a couple of times. Not good. 2 creek crossings with great big, like, fist and head-size rocks. And then I get up here and there's a Honda minivan at the trailhead for hiking up here. So there's a trailhead and gates, but if you've got any ground clearance whatsoever, like a Ford Escape, a Toyota RAV4, anything like that, you can drive up here. Granted, that could change with any reasonable amount of rain. So I can't tell you what roads to take to get up here because I wouldn't send anyone on the roads I took to get up here unless they wanted an off-road challenge. And I fell over. So I can probably tell you how to get from here to Kerwood when I do that part of the route, but that's where we're going next. So a bonus to this video is Mount Kerwood, the other contested high point. Within 12 inches of each other, who knows how accurate their measuring is. I'll just go to both. Okay, buddy, you got too many in there.
Hooray, I did it again! Okay, how the fuck do I get to this goddamn mountain? Okay, I've wasted 2 hours going around in circles trying to find this Mount Kerwood. I don't care anymore. My hands are killing me. Got a big old blister starting here. Every time I go down what I think is a road that's going to get me where it needs to be, it ends up at like a logging camp or a dead end, or the rocks are so big they're bouncing off the skid plate and tearing my shoulders apart. And I'm sure there's an easy way to get there, but I don't have enough cell phone signal and I don't have enough patience to find it. So I went to the one that all the maps and the state website says is the high point. I'm calling that good enough.
I'm gonna say I can't make it to Mount Kerwood. I really don't care at this point, because I've got like 470 miles left to go home, and it's already noon. So maybe I'll come back out some other time and do Mount Kerwood if I'm in the area again. But I got Mount Arvon. That was a weird looking bug. Some kind of alien freak bug. But I got Mount Arvon. That's good enough for me. So I can show you how not to get to Mount Kerwood. And even if you just come out here and ride around aimlessly, it is beautiful. But bring a skid plate and knobby tires, because there's probably at least a dozen times when a big old rock hit my skid plate, and that would have taken out my oil pan if it wasn't there. So at least it's a beautiful day.